Welcome, class. Today our session title is Week 10, Session 37, Solutions, Solutes, and Solvents. We will move slowly and make the chemistry understandable. Your goal is to describe solutions using solute, solvent, concentration, and particle models. Listen for these key terms: solution, solute, solvent, aqueous, concentration. First, keep the three chemistry levels together. A solution is a homogeneous mixture. The solute is dissolved, and the solvent does the dissolving. In aqueous solutions, water is the solvent. When you feel stuck, ask, what did I observe? What are the particles doing? And what symbol or calculation represents it? The core model is this. Concentration describes how much solute is present relative to the amount of solution. More solute in the same volume means higher concentration. Do not rush to an answer. Build the model first, then let the model guide the calculation or explanation. Now let's work an example. Salt dissolving in water. When sodium chloride dissolves, water molecules surround Na+ and Cl- ions. The oxygen side of water is attracted to Na+, while the hydrogen side is attracted to Cl-. The ions separate and spread throughout the water, forming a homogeneous solution. Notice how the answer comes from evidence and reasoning, not from guessing. Here is a second example. A saturated solution contains the maximum amount of solute that can dissolve under given conditions. If more solute is added, it remains undissolved unless conditions change. Now answer this self-check. In salt water, what is the solvent? A strong answer should include water. Hint: the solvent is the substance doing the dissolving. Before you leave, practice actively. Task 1. Identify solute and solvent in sugar water. Task 2. Explain what aqueous means. Task 3. Describe how a concentrated solution differs from a dilute one at the particle level. At the end of your study, write one sentence beginning, "The chemistry idea I must remember is." For more practice and exam preparation, visit www.bridgetoexam.com.